Earnings season is still going strong with over 500 companies reporting on Thursday alone. But out of all of those, which ones have the best charts? I dug through them all so you don't have to, and I picked out what I think are the best. Now, some of these companies have actually missed over the last 5 years, but it's not many times. So to keep that kind of track record is difficult, and I like these ones for this earnings season. So let's get right to it. The first one is one you might not be as familiar with. It's Magna. They're a Canadian company. They do the auto parts side of things, and you can see that's probably why the shares have weakened a bit over the last year as people are worried about peak auto. But they basically haven't missed in 5 years, except if you look way to the left in 2011. Barely see that there. There's one little red arrow. So if they beat again this quarter, they get back to their 5-year perfect record. I like this consistency, and if you're actually trading on the earnings report, this is definitely one to keep on your list. The next one we all know, SBUX. I actually own this in my own personal portfolio. They have 2 misses, and one was late last year. But otherwise, they have a great track record of beating. Their shares haven't really done much, though, over the last year, so that's something to watch. This kind of goes towards what I've been saying over and over on these videos, that just because you have a beat doesn't necessarily mean the shares will be moving higher. But gotta like the consistency again, and if I'm trading on that earnings miss or beat, I like these companies that have this kind of good quality track record. So SBUX should definitely be one you should be watching. Our third stock has a more impressive looking chart. It has the one miss earlier this year, and you can see that big stock sell-off was when the whole market sold off, so that looked like a buying opportunity right there. But otherwise, it's come back with at least one big beat there and then another one following. We'll see if it can do 3 in a row here, but you gotta like this chart. Activision, it's on the video games, they're content creators. That's a hot area right now, and it's trading near these 5 years highs. So I'd definitely be watching this for some real good action on this earnings report. Again, it's not easy to have track records like these companies, especially consistently over year. They might have a miss here or there, but otherwise they have this great track record that not everybody's able to accomplish. I should really do one of these that shows the bad charts too, because then you really get a sense of how good these charts really are. But we want to trade on only the best, so I'm going to show you these for now. So if you want to know more, some of my colleagues are putting out some great content too, showing you everything going on in the earnings season, especially Dave Bartosiak over at the Zacks Live Trader. He's covering a lot of options trades on a lot of these companies, and some of these might be included in what he does. So definitely check over there at Zacks Live Trader. It's on Zacks.com, or you can find it on YouTube, so definitely tune in.